George sits serenely in his barber chair. Suddenly, he realizes he's left his wallet at home. How would he be able to pay for him and his son Andy's haircuts? Would he have to sweep the floor after hours? Would the barber just shave his head? Noticing Andy gesturing wildly towards the mirror, George pleads for his help. Andy smugly opens his Bitcoin Cash wallet and sends his Luddite father exactly 2 haircuts worth of Bitcoin Cash.
Hey, thanks, man.
Bitcoin Cash, the future of money, today.
Hey guys, welcome back. So quick update here on Bitcoin Cash versus BTC. I just tweeted this out actually, but I decided I would make a quick video explaining it a little bit better. So this is the tweet. We are at the end of this descending wedge, and wedges usually break out bullish. Descending wedges usually break out bullish more often than not, but it doesn't mean it happens 100% of the times. But they usually break out bullish. Also, we have the volume tightening a lot and the price volatility tightening a lot as well, which means it usually breaks out vertical after we have, you know, tight volatility in price and tight volume. We usually break out vertical. So that's what's expected, I'd say, with 70% probability. Let me show the lines here. So yeah, this is exactly what I had on my tweet. So I think it'll break out. Maybe we have a little bit more of a low here, go lower a little bit more during today and maybe tomorrow, and we break out sometime tomorrow or on Monday, I would say, the latest. That's what I would expect as my primary projection. The first significant level is at 0.125, more or less, which is a significant resistance, as you can see here, and more times in the past. And also, it'll be at the same level with the 50-day moving average, which is a very strong, you know, resistance. But because we are so extended in the downside, I think it'll find resistance at this level, but it will eventually break in the upside because we are very, very oversold. So I think we need a little bit of a bigger bounce than this, not only to, you know, 0.125, but at least a little bit higher. So I would say at least 0.13. And from here, we will see. Maybe we come back down to retest and use the 50-day moving average as a support. I don't know. I don't want to go that long. But this is what I can see for the short term. Now, as I said before, I give this 70% probability. The other 30%, it would be that this wedge actually has no effect on the price whatsoever. And the price continues to go sideways from here, maybe downtrending slowly and doing like a, you know, rounded bottom here, and it just consolidates at the level of 0.1 more or less. Because as I said, descending wedges usually break bullish, and usually they break quite vertical, as we had one here. As you can see, we went up vertical, and I mean, it happens with any market, but this is not 100% probability. There's never 100% probability, because if it was 100% probable, then it means anyone would put their entire net worth in this trade with zero risk, right? It would mean trading is zero risk, and that's not the reality of trading. You know, there's never 100% guaranteed. So my second, my secondary projection would be, if this doesn't break bullish like vertical here, which, as I said, is what I expect with 70% confidence. But if this doesn't happen and we go for the other 30% chance, I would say it'll just, you know, continue sideways, break below the main support here, this diagonal line here. I think we will break below this line, but we won't have like a capitulation of vertical movement down. I think the most likely is that this consolidates here at the level of 0.1, more or less 0.1, 0.11, or maybe 0.098, something like that, at the level of 0.1, and consolidates here for a long time. That would be my secondary, projection of what could happen. But yeah, I'm 70% confident this is going to break bullish during, sometime tomorrow or on Monday. After the weekly candle closes, I think we will start going up. Everything is very extended in the downside. So yeah, and especially Bitcoin Cash and some others. So that's a quick update for BCH versus BTC. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon. Bye.